In this video, we'll be looking at a way to evaluate tan minus 23 degrees. If we are given sine 23 degrees equals to square root of k without using a calculator. Before I proceed into that, I want to show you some of these identities which are very important for us to be able to solve this question. The first one is, if we have tan x, that would be the same thing as having sine x divided by cos x. So if we also have tan into minus x, this is the same thing as minus tan x. Also, if we have sine into minus x, this is the same thing as minus sine x. And if we have cos into minus x, this is the same thing as cos x. Also, we should have this at the back of our minds that sine square x plus cos squared x will give us 1. So back to the question that says that sine 23 degrees equal square root of k. The first thing we're going to do is to send away the square root. And how do we do that? We square both sides. If both sides are being squared, we're going to have this as sine square 23 degrees should give us k. We can then turn this into this Pythagoras theorem and say that sine square 23 degrees plus cos square 23 degrees will give us 1. We already know what sine square 23 degrees will give us, which is k. So we can put that in there, that k plus cos square 23 degrees equals to 1. Therefore, cos square 23 degrees will equal to 1 minus k. In that way, if I also take the square root to both sides, so I'm going to have cos squared 23 degrees. If I square root this, we equal to the square root of 1 minus k. And the square root of this cancel by the square. So we're going to have cos 23 degrees equal to square root of 1 minus k. That means we already have sine 23 degrees and we already have cos 23 degrees. So we can go into tan minus 23 degrees, which will give us, therefore, tan minus 23 degrees, which is the same thing as minus tan 23 degrees. In that way, this will give us minus sine 23 degrees over cos 23 degrees. And that will give us minus square root of k over the square root of 1 minus k. And in that way, we can put them together based on the rule that says we can put them together. We'll have k over 1 minus k, the minus of that. So this can also be written, you can leave your answer in this way, but also it can be written as minus k over 1 minus k into 1 over 2, and then that is the tan minus 23 degrees in terms of k. Thank you very much. We're going to see in the next video. See ya.